have an asshole. Do you like asshole?
I do not like asshole. Do you?
No.
I thought so.
But
Now
I
go.
know I have one.
I know. Now go on with the show.
This is the show.
Okay, now go.
I hit you in the head with tons of ice.
Help me!
I just hit my best friend in the head with a big, fat ass chunk. She'll be unconscious now for the rest of the time.
Well,
But she will be watching the camera. Hopefully, she will be. While she's unconscious. No! Thank you. I have to get something.
I'm not actually unconscious. Thank God.
I got you, Abby. Anything else? Yeah, and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna crush it. This is for your nice little birdies and squirrels.
Ha! Oh, let's go. That's gross, you know. I think you went poo-poo on the icy. Don't look, everybody.
I just did. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.